Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate average in Excel. So guys, in without time wasting, let's start with the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my sales data. This is my demo sample sales data. If this is the employee name, I'm giving the employee name here. Okay, this is monthly sales of this employee A. Okay, so this is monthly sales, so I'm going to uh, take out the average of every year, so I can take quarterly average also. If you I'm see quarterly. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to calculate quarterly average. Okay, this is my monthly sales, January, February, March monthly sales, and how you can calculate the average of this numbers, sales number. Okay, so simply you have to enter the equal sign, then type average, then average will become, click tab, the average will come up, and then one bracket will be open. This formula will function automatically. Now you have to select the quarterly, by by mouse. Click left, hold the left button of mouse and click, like, scroll down, the 3 months data will be selected here, and now you have to close the data, sorry, close the bracket and click, so you can see the average has been come. So same you have to follow this, formulas, average formulas to every quarter. Okay, if you change any number, sales number, in particular, months, so average data also will automatically change. And you can see that this is a chart. This is line chart I have created. This also connected, so it will also change. So that is how you can get the average of your monthly sale or quarterly sale, and how you can calculate average by using these formulas, and how it is functions. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.